हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूं आपका होस्ट दोस्त अब्दुल रहमान एंड यू आर वाचिंग एन हैदराबादी व्लॉग। वेलकम टू द न्यू डे एंड अ न्यू व्लॉग। तो आज का व्लॉग होने वाला है टोटल मॉडिफिकेशंस ऑन माय NS200, कितना खर्चा आया और आप लोग कैसे सब मॉडिफिकेशन NS200 पे कर सकते हैं। एंड दिस इज़ अ ग्रेट न्यूज़ वेटिंग फॉर यू in this video, so stay tuned for it. As you can see, my NS200 is standing just behind me with those sexy looks, and I also have my younger brother with me. Okay, आवाज़ नहीं करना। So उसका अलग ही व्लॉग चल रहा पीछे, उसका अलग ही व्लॉग हो रहा पीछे। ओके, so I will let you know step by step what are the modifications I have done and how you can get these parts for your NS200. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and make sure you like this video and share to the people who own NS200 and wants to do this modification on their bike. And before we get into this video, I just wanted to make sure I will let you know the story, the real motivation to turn my NS naked sport bike into a full fairing sports bike, not a sports bike, a bike. तो रीज़न ये था, NS200 का जो वेरिएंट्स है वो 160 में आ गया और फिर 125 में भी आ गया, विच टोटली सर्व एंड इट वाज लाइक अ टोटल disrespect to the NS200. So I thought I will change my whole bike looks. तो ये प्रोजेक्ट जो this project came true because of two main people. One is Mr. Demon, who helped me to get this parts from and also he is the designer of this bike, of this part or this modification. He sent me all over the parts from all away from the south point of our India, Tripura I guess. And then Sonu, Prince Sonu helped me to set up this whole thing, and without them it was not possible. So thank you guys for making this mod successful. And let me show you the beautiful cinematic shots of my bike, and later on we will jump into this every single modification I have done on this bike till now. Okay, just let's jump onto the B-rolls of modified NS200. So if you enjoyed the B-rolls, please show some support, and I will leave all the buy links of whatever mods I have done on my bike. I will leave you all the buy links. You can check in the description box. And let's move to the every single bit of modification, right? So when you guys see my bike from the from the front side, first thing you will notice is this visor. Let me show you it closely. So as you can see, this comes from a Carbon Racing. Here you can see it is there, Carbon Racing. This costed me 1400. and I will leave a official buy link of this windshield. This is specifically made for NS200. There's nothing but you have to just screw up the previous one, and you can just use the same screws to mount this one here and there, and you will find two knobs here. Once you press it, this will come into the place. And worst part of this is it shakes a lot when you go into the pit holes. So unless and until it is very nice. And we also get some stabilizers for this windshield so that it does not shake in highways. So it will be very helpful. One day we will bring it, buy it, and we'll install it in our bike, and let's see how the result will be. And the second thing which you will notice is these hand guards. So these are KTM hand guards. You will find it anywhere. On Flipkart you will get it for some 600 like that. So it is available everywhere. And from the front side, this is the only things changed, and I have removed indicators from here because we have to mount indicators here, the flush mount indicator, so that the whole bikes look new aesthetics. So let's move to the side part. So as you can see, this whole thing looks like a beast, total beast. So this part, the side fender which you see, the side part which you see is from R15 V3, not V3, I'm really sorry, R15 V1S side panel, and you will get it for like 1400 a piece, and two pieces together 2800 में आपको जो है दो भी पैनल्स मिल जाते हैं साइड के. लेकिन I have an offer for you guys. Just I will tell you everything about it in the end. I have a big surprise for you guys, for NS200 lovers. So just stay tuned. And coming to the red black accent, I have done it through the stickering shop. At the stickering shop, here you can see it's written Babe. Yeah, Babe. And I had a monogram here which I removed while I had to paint this whole part. So I removed it, and we have Pulsar here in a sticker. So when you come to the rear part of my bike, you will see it's totally changed, like total change. Here, first of all, I removed the indicators which we get here, a tail tidy for NS200, a signature one which I totally removed it. So I mounted here the flush mounts by drilling this part and made a hole in it. In the side I made a hole, and I just installed this one on the both the sides, obviously on the both the sides. Let me show you. So see, this thing looks like this, and it is totally visible in day or night. There's no issue with it. And the second thing is tail tidy. It's a foldable tail tidy. I can adjust whenever I need it. And on the other side, it's the same flush mount indicator, and that's the rear part of my whole bike. And you will see I have removed grab grills from here, so that we can install luggage carrier here. Very soon you will get that video on the YouTube, so stay tuned for that one also. Now coming to this side, so you see same side panel, same design, stickering NS200 Babe written there, and overall sexy look. And we see the belly pan. This belly pan is a custom made by Autolog Designs. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, they made it, and it comes for the bike, I guess RC200, because it is very similar to that, or else that is a part of RC200 belly pan. And those are the mods I totally did on my bike, and many more are yet to come. As you can see, I will also remove this tire hugger so that it gets total sexy looks. And now let's come to the surprise part of this whole video, which is you can install this NS200 kit on your bike just under 7,000. The only thing is maybe shipping charges will shipping charges are different according to the state you live or you are shipping it to, unless and until everything is under 7,000. So I will leave you Mr. Demon's Instagram ID in the description. You can go him and you can DM him. He will provide you all the details of this whole setting with the paint work. But I brought it raw and I made it for myself, like I did a total paint job on it because I wanted it in a white, total white beast. See, check it out, how sexy this looks. Once indicators are installed in it, it will look much more cooler than now it is. So we will look for it very soon. I will also upload that video relating to that. I hope you like this video. As I told you, I will leave Mr. Demon's Instagram ID in the description. You can just go click there and make sure you DM him. He will provide you all the information he needs. He will give you a direct fitting parts. Can you imagine? Like, you need not to do anything, just you have to take the parts, just screw it down and put it on your bike and make your bike look sexy and cooler. How my bike looks, according to me, my bike looks very cool for me. And before we go, this is the golden filter which I applied here. It gives a kind of a look to aesthetics to it. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to channel, and if you have any doubts, please make sure DM me on my Instagram or on comments. I'm always there to reply you. And also make sure you share with all your NS friends who own NS200. You can share with them so that this bike can reach out to them and they can do this modification on their bikes. Okay, let's hope you will have a wonderful day today, and we'll see you soon in the next vlog. Take care. Bye bye.